Okay guys, there's another dump. I was planning on doing a different video. Oh, that right away I see jewelry right here. So we'll take that, put that in the pocket. Gotta go through this with a fine-tooth comb. What's this? I'm not sure what that is, guys, to be honest. Some kind of superhero? Not really sure. Let's just dig through this real quick. Looks like garbage. There's another superhero. Oh, there's a penny. I'll take that. Scoot it around a little bit. Let's see what's laying around here. Cat food. Cats will like that tool. That's all I'm seeing. Yeah, I'm not seeing really nothing good, to be honest. But you never know. Pair of pants. What's in here? Garbage. Speakers. Yeah, this time it looks like it's all trash, but sometimes you never know. Oh shoot, this just hit me in the head. We got a gate here, that's some scrap metal. We got here empty boxes. Brake pads and stuff. Hey, that's all pretty good scrap right there. Come back and clean this up when we can. Take this. Pretty good box of scrap right there, guys. Throw that in the back. I did see that gate right there. We'll grab that gate. Sorry, the camera got a little bit moved. Got a pipe. Got a pipe and a gate right here. Get this in the back. Some kind of, sorry guys, you can't see too good. Baby gate. I know I'm moving pretty quick, guys, because kids' toys and stuff. Dolls. Okay. So it looks like about it, guys. I'll take this because I want it. Well, that was a nice computer. Piece of gold right there we'll take. I don't know if there's anything else, guys. What's our computer here? We don't know. Garbage over there. I'm not really seeing a computer, guys. But why would there be a part of a computer? Maybe in one of these bags? I have no idea. Nothing in there. Let me see. Oh, that's all toys, guys. Alright. I'm gonna have to come back and get this bag. Well, this looks like kids' toys, nothing really good. I don't know. kids toys. Let's get over here. A lot of junk, man. That's a lot of junk. See what's back here. Car went past. Same as usual. Not really seeing too much back here. Alright, I'm gonna go proceed with my other video and see if we can get out of here. Oh shoot, I forgot about that muffler down there. I gotta grab that muffler, guys. Quick video. Whoa. Sticks like to poke me right in the face. Real quick, take a quick walk here. Got some steam holes. Okay, I don't see nothing else back here. Somebody's laundry, whatever. All right, so what we're gonna do, we'll grab that big muffler, try to get it in the back, and start getting some scrap again, accumulated. I left it here past winter. I left it here, and there's more, guys. There's another one over there, but it's in the sticker bushes. I don't want that, so it's let's just grab it. The mice end up, you know. That's a heavy one too. I just don't want the mice, you know, the mice that might be in here. Let's just grab this. This is a heavy one, guys. Nice piece of scrap though. I gotta put the camera down for a second. Okay. Now back to the original video I was gonna do today. So there's another dump. Probably more stuff there. I don't know, guys. But you know, briefly went through it. There's not much there, guys. Bunch of garbage somebody dropped off. But hey, it's another dump for sure. Comes a car. I'll put my glove on real quick. That's definitely another dump, guys. Let's get out of here. So basically, guys, yeah, man, another dump. What are you gonna do? Some are a lot better, some aren't a lot better. So this was one of those that wasn't that great, but there was some scrap metal.